Hey everyone, what's going on? Back again with another guide here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all how to connect the JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker with a Nokia phone. This is the Nokia 4.2 phone, one of those budget-friendly Nokia phones. And let's get started. So first things first, you want to get the speaker into a pairing state. So of course, if it's off, let's go ahead and turn it on by pressing the power button once. You hear this tone sound when it's starting up. And then you'll press the Bluetooth pairing button right here, this one right there. So you'll press it one time. It's a single press. And when you do that, you'll hear this tone sound play twice. Okay, so when you hear that play twice, it means it's now in a pairing state. You'll notice the blinking white lights. And with that set and done, let's go into the main settings of our Nokia phone here. So we'll go to settings. And then we'll go to where it says connected devices. You'll see where it says Bluetooth here. Okay, so go to that. And then you'll see pair new device. So you'll tap on that once. That turns on the Bluetooth settings. And of course, it will start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. So just give it a few seconds until you see JBL Flip 5 show up. Okay, it may not show up right away, being it's the first time you're connecting it. Just give that a few seconds. And of course, if it doesn't show up the first time, you can always try this process again, and you're definitely guaranteed to see it. So you'll see JBL Flip 5. Once it shows up, you'll tap on it once. It will say pairing. You'll get that request. You can allow it or not, pair it. And you'll hear that sound from the speaker itself, and that means you are active and ready to use. And of course, if this guide was helpful, like, share, and sub, and thanks for watching. See you.